is actually what we're doing. Is we're actually it's good I show you this because we have a trying to do a.
Let me show you a badge so I know who we're talking to. We're talking to Oren here from Nokia. He's our web runtime guru.
That's right, or one of them.
One of them.
So what we're showing here is we have our Nokia Web runtime, which has been available for quite a while and is available on millions of devices. We're showing, among other things, how we have these great tools which let pretty much anybody write widgets really quickly to show how fast it is and how quickly you can get started with widget development. So this is Aptana Studio. It's a standard web tool, and it has this plugin which lets you create Nokia Web runtime widgets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new web runtime project here. And as you see, in addition to all the other things that Aptana supports, we support web runtime widgets.
Yes.
So I can create a widget, and we have like a template here which lets you build a simple Flickr widget to look at your Flickr photos.
Okay.
So I'm going to pick that, I'll give it a call, Flickr demo.
And I have a new game.
And just because sort of, because I'm a bit vain, I'll have it look at my pictures. And just for fun, I'll add a home screen view, so if you want to put the widget on phones that have a home screen view, you'll get a home screen view automatically. I hit finish, and we're done. I've created my widget.
Wow.
And because I'm using this template, I have all the code I need to write a widget. And if you do know any web development, you'll see a lot of familiar things. We have a web page, which has the basic UI of the widget. We have JavaScript, which has the application logic. We have a style sheet, the same elements as the web page, but now they're supporting standalone widget. So now what I can do is using the emulator part of the tool, I can now run this widget. Oops. Looks like I made a mistake typing in my username. Good thing I'm on video, but I'm going to go correct that.
It's called the demo effect.
That's right.
It's a standard feature.
Right. There we go. I corrected that. Pay no heed. Let's try that again. Now when I simulate the widget in my thing, there we go. Now it found my account.
Wow.
And it found a bunch of my pictures from Flickr, including the pictures I shot here at Nokia World. And what I can do with this emulator is I can simulate other devices as well. So let's go from a smaller Symbian device to, let's say, something like an N97. It's a wider format. Now I can see what the widget's going to look like there, and when I go back to the home screen, I can also see what the home screen view will look like. And this is something I get a basic home screen view for free, but I can always go in and edit the code and improve that.
So this Aptana tool, is it available for everyone?
It's available for anyone free. You can go to aptana.com and download it, and download the plugin. And you can also go to Forum Nokia and learn more about web runtime and about all the tools and documentation we support.
But don't you have the same functionality in the N97 SDK?
You do, but really for native development. I think for essentially for web developers though, we don't really want web developers necessarily to have to download this massive SDK. It's much easier to get an N97, a lightweight tool like Aptana, and just start writing widgets.
Okay. In the Aptana version, do you have more templates than the Flickr one that you
Yeah, we also have some basic widgets so you can get started in your own thing. We also have a basic RSS template, which makes it really easy to do like basic RSS feeds. I can show you as well.
Could you do a widget on a commercial website, say a newspaper?
Potentially, sure. I mean, either with your own feed or using somebody else's feed. And the nice thing about widgets is they're quite small and quite easy to distribute. So you can distribute them either through a store or on your own website, or via email, or however you want to distribute them. So here's like an RSS demo just to complete the set. And there we go. I saved this. This is the feed for the Nokia Conversations blog. I misspelled conversations. It's like the same way we can go look at the index home screen, homepage rather for that widget. See what that looks like. And again, here's a quick and dirty RSS feed widget for Nokia Conversations. And again, just like the other one, I get my home screen view automatically.
Wow. That's great. And how do you get the widget then on your phone? It's a sys file or something?
It's actually a zip file with its own custom extension, so I can package the widget here. It's this little WGZ file.
Okay.
And now I can actually deploy that over Bluetooth to my phone. So I actually set this up to go to my N97 here. So now here it is. I just got this widget now. And now I can just install it directly from the message.
Oh, battery.
You gotta get the battery. There it is.
There it is.
Long time no see.
Network.
Mitäs se nykyisin teet?
And you compare it to here and see it's actually pretty similar.
That was fast. That was super fast.
Yeah.
So it's uptana.com.
Right, and then forum.nokia.com.
Okay. Wow. Thank you, Oren.
Thank you.